Hello viewers, welcome to Science TV, 4 p.m. news with me, Ruth Wairimu, a sign language interpreter doing the voicing of interviewers. The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, EACC, has revealed that 5 sitting governors and 11 former county chiefs are under investigation over corruption-related cases. The cases involved alleged procurement fraud, mismanagement of public funds, and abuse of office in county governments. EACC Chief Executive Officer Abdi Mohamud confirmed the probe, saying the commission is determined to ensure that those entrusted with public resources are held accountable. He noted that the investigations cut across several devolved units where billions of shillings have been lost. Mohamud assured the public that the commission will not relent in its mandate, adding that political office will not shield any leader from prosecution. He said, once investigations are complete and sufficient evidence is gathered, the suspects will be taken to court to face the law. And to our other news, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, EACC, has said it has not received any evidence linking members of parliament to bribery allegations recently raised by President William Ruto. Chief Executive Officer Abdi Mohamud on Friday noted that while the president may have information not yet shared with investigators, the commission is ready to act once credible complaints are presented. Mohamud said the EACC remains committed to pursuing other ongoing cases, including probes into sitting and former governors, ex-cabinet secretaries, and state corporation chiefs accused of embezzlement, money laundering, and conflict of interest. Over the past 8 months, the Commission has completed 89 cases, recommended 82 for prosecution, and recovered assets valued at more than 700 million shillings. At the same time, the EACC threw its weight behind the recently formed multi-agency team on the war against corruption, saying stronger collaboration will improve coordination among oversight bodies. The task force unveiled by President Ruto last week was temporarily halted by the High Court after petitioners questioned its constitutionality and funding model. The case is set for mention early next month. On to our other news. Machakos Governor Wavinya Ndeti has defended her record in office, saying she inherited a dysfunctional county government in 2022, but since restored order and initiated development projects. Speaking during a television interview on Thursday night, Ndeti said her administration walked into office to find a public service without clear structures or operational systems. She noted that her first task was to establish policy frameworks to guide county staff and streamline service delivery. According to her, at least 10 policy documents, including human resource guidelines, have since been developed. The governor outlined key achievements, including the rehabilitation and recarpeting of county roads, the construction of 25 new health centers, and the upgrading of existing hospitals to level 4 status. She said Mwindi Mbingu Hospital was being transformed into a teaching and referral facility comparable to the Kenyatta National Hospital. In addition, she cited the building of over 130 mini dams to boost water harvesting and irrigation, saying these interventions were strengthening agriculture and livelihoods. Moving on, the Social Health Authority SHA has dismissed claims that it disbursed 20 million shillings to a ghost health facility in Homa Bay County. This comes after reports circulated on social media alleging that Nyandiwa Health Center in West Kamagak Ward had received payments despite being non-operational for years. SHA Chief Executive Dr. Mercy Mwangangi clarified that the funds were legitimately disbursed after undergoing strict verification. She explained that Nyandiwa Dispensary, founded in the 1970s, was upgraded to a level 4 hospital but retained its old bank account name during the transition. She added that an abandoned structure photographed by the media was an incomplete project by a past county administration, not the current beneficiary of SHA disbursements. Dr. Mwangangi confirmed that the facility received 19.9 million shillings in August, in addition to allocations under the Primary Healthcare and Social Health Insurance Fund. However, a review of SHA's portal by the Standard showed an extra 695,520 shillings disbursement this month, and further checks reveal the facility is not listed on the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Council KMPDC portal. Cancer patients in Laikipia County have raised alarm over lack of access to essential medication, saying many of them are being forced to pay for treatment before receiving medical attention. The patients, who spoke at various health facilities, said their conditions are worsening due to delays and lack of proper care, with some fearing that the disease is spreading further and putting their lives at risk. They added that financial constraints have left many abandoned by their families, compounding their suffering. The patients are now appealing to the government to intervene urgently and ensure the Social Health Authority covers them fully to ease the burden of treatment. On to our international news. Former Sri Lankan President Ranil Wickremesinghe has been arrested by the Criminal Investigation Department (CID) over allegations of misusing government's funds. Authorities said the 76-year-old was taken into custody after appearing at the CID headquarters in Colombo to record a statement. The case stems from a 2023 trip to London, which Wickremesinghe reportedly undertook to attend his wife's graduation ceremony at the University of Wolverhampton. Investigators allege that state resources, including funds for his security detail and travel expenses amounting to nearly 17 million rupees, were improperly used to finance the visit. Wickremesinghe is expected to be presented before the Colombo Fort Magistrates Court. Neither his office nor the police have issued an official statement on the matter. The arrest marks a dramatic turn for the veteran politician who took charge of the country in the aftermath of Sri Lanka's turmoil in 2022. That's all we had for you, our viewers. Thank you for watching Science TV 4 p.m. news with me, Ruth Wairimu, and my sign language interpreter doing the voicing, Irene Chebiwot. Have a good evening and goodbye.